Welcome back. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Why do I feel orange? I feel orange.
Am I orange?
What are you gonna do? Anyway, I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thanks so much. You're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? Today I got a 2-for-1. And this one's fun because we have Mai Tai. Okay, this is Mai. And Mai is from Sister Wig. They're both from Sister Wig. This is a sleigh line. It's called Virgin Touch, Feels Like Human Hair, Lace Front Wig. I have them both in the color FS1B / Burgundy. It says it has a stretchable cap. I got Mai from Deets for just $13.59. It was like a crazy sale. This is such a beautiful wig. Let's look at this. And it does feel like human hair. It really does. It's going to be slightly textured, but there's definitely a silkiness. I usually say it's sort of like that keratin treated hair. So pretty. She's going to be in the 26-inch. She's going to be 26 inches. Let's look at her from the back. Oh, yeah. So pretty. Movement is gorgeous. This is a super comfortable wig. I did tighten her quite a bit, so I'd say it's a larger wig cap. I really like this wig. It is more of a realistic density. This is all the hair to the front. Okay. And yeah, I really like her. So this is Mai. Let's see what's up with Tai. Okay, now I got Tai. She's in the same color, FS1B / Burgundy. Same sort of like faux virgin human hair. It's funny, a lot of people call me Tai because my name's Tia, T-I-A, and Tai is T-A-I, and I don't know if they inverted or whatever, but there's so many people who call me Tai. Actually, a coworker of mine called me Tai for a very long time, and then on a webinar, someone's like, "Are you talking about Tia?" And like legit, he called me Tai for like a year, and he's like, "Oh yeah, that's what I meant." Anyway, I love these wigs. I scooped this one up at Deets for $13.59. These are worth triple the price. They're gorgeous. The feel is amazing. The straight one wants to tangle a little bit, but look, it just comes out like butter, It's so pretty. I just absolutely love this wig. This is going to be the same 26 inches-ish. So yeah, I really love these wigs. I'm happy that I got them, and I got them at such a good price. I don't have this tacked down and I don't have the combs in, but anywho, this is Mai Tai. If you like these videos where I combine wigs together, do like a 2-for-1, let me know by giving me a thumbs up, and also leave me a comment down below. If there's any other Sister Wig you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. I just did a huge Sister Wigs haul, so I probably have it. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.